Hello friends, today we will talk of something very different. I will start by telling you a small thing. There was a man who went to a restaurant and after sitting there for some time he ordered his food and the waiter in 1 minute came with dal fry and started serving him. The man was very surprised. He said, "Oh, you really are very quick. I just ordered and you're already serving me." So the waiter said, "Sir, when we watch someone looking at the menu for more than 10 minutes, we give the order for dal fry." So from this you will know that when a person has to spend his own money, he is very wise and takes a lot of time to decide. Friends, when we were kids in our house, there were a lot of Hindi idioms which we call muhavare, which were used in our family all the time. And this is something which I miss in this Mumbai life. There was something which I will say in Hindi and I will let you know what it means. It was Male Muft Dile Berehem. This meant that if you are getting something for free, it doesn't pain you, it doesn't hurt you to use it. You overuse it, you misuse it. And this may be true. A lot of people will say, "No, we are not like that, we don't do it, we don't think like that," which is very good. But we all know that this does happen. For example, we have all seen that when somebody goes to a restaurant, they take full care of ordering whatever is required and they make sure that it is within their budget. After the meal, if some food is left over, they get that also packed, which is also a good thing, and they take it home. Whereas the same people, if they are invited to a wedding or a function, or they are going to a place where there is a buffet where they don't have to pay for every item, the same people will fill up their plates with more than they can really have, and at the end of the meal they will leave naan and vegetable and non-veg and so many things in their plate because they cannot finish it, because it doesn't hurt them. They are getting it free, they are not paying for it. So this we have seen everywhere. There are a lot of social organizations raising their voice against this, don't waste food, but this is a tendency that people have. Friends, some years back, there were some friends of my husband who were visiting us from outstation, and they had come over for lunch, and after the lunch they were going back to their house, which was not so far away from our house. But they were looking and checking out on the rate of the Ola and the Uber and trying to save 50 rupees. So my husband said, "You don't worry, the driver is down, he will take you to your place." So they went in the car with the driver. The next day, friends, I was taking some account from the driver after he had done some shopping for me, and he told me that he had paid for the toll at the Sea Link. So I asked him, "How did you go to the Sea Link?" And he said, "Well, those people, they told me we would like to see the Sea Link." So I took them to the Sea Link, and when we had reached the other side, the Worli side, they said, "We want to see Marine Drive." So I took them all the way till the end of Marine Drive, and then I dropped them back at Bandra. From this you can understand, friends, that dile berehem, it doesn't hurt when you're getting something for free. And I would like to tell you, and you all know, that these big hotels where they charge anything from 4,000 to 10,000 per day. There is something which is called complimentary breakfast. Now most of the people who go there, they have their companies paying for the rent, or the government officers have the government paying for their stay. But these people who normally have a cup of tea, maybe with a toast at home, they go there, they have toast with omelette, then they have dosa, idli, vada, then they have puri bhaji, and along with this they have 3-4 glasses of fruit juice. They have all the desserts, the jalebis and the brownies. And not only that, while leaving that place, most of them or some of them pick up the fresh fruits and put them in their handbag. Some pick up cookies and brownies. Some even wrap up sandwiches in paper napkins and put it in the handbags. Now, the restaurant people know, the hotel people know that this happens, so they just smile possibly. But this is Dile Be Rehem, which means coming for free doesn't hurt you. And I will tell you at the end about a gentleman who was traveling with his wife to New Zealand and Australia, and he may be having this habit. So before leaving his hotel, he picked up an apple and kept it in his bag. Now at the airport, there were signs everywhere. Please do not carry vegetables and fresh fruits and seeds on the flight. Now this man forgot about the apple, because if he had remembered, he would have put it in the dustbin. He forgot about it. And when they were doing the checking, they found that apple. And friends, they put a fine of $500 for that apple. So sometimes this Malay Muft can backfire. This is something that I wanted to tell you. You also think about it, and it's okay to enjoy food and other pleasures when others are offering it, but wastage is not something very good. All the best to all of you. Bye.